I give you education. Don't leave and leave me alone. It's time.
It's time to, maybe,
Yes,
to return these favors. Yeah.
I will help you to achieve your dreams.
We starting now. Now, we need to take one example. Attention, everybody. Just one example we're going to take. We're going to listen to one or to three of you. But please tell us who is the immigrant, who is and who plays the role of the developing nation and the role of the developing next nation. Who wants to have a chance? Who wants to? Yeah. Summarize.
Oh, it's dirty. Woo! I'm the Jenny. I'll make all your dreams come true. And the developed countries, look what I can give you. Villas, money, and lots of money. Just come with me and leave this dirty house, these poor families, and come with me. I'll make you live your dreams and enjoy your life. Of course,
Oh, please don't leave our country. Your home, you leave your family, you leave your friends, you'll be alone. You can't even work.
don't listen to him. He's lying. I give you all what you want, just in seconds. I'm magical. Come with me and don't listen to him.
But I'll miss my friends and my country. I can't go.
You don't know what's good for you. Listen, I'll give you some money, some projects. You'll be a good country. I'll just have him for a short period of time, okay?
Anyway, your friends don't love you. Go.
You did a great job today. Thank you very much. And I'm sorry to have kept you for a little bit late. So sorry for that, and thank you a lot for the great job you did.